So your first song named Tension.
Yeah.
What was your purpose behind it? आपने गाने का नाम Tension क्यों रखा?
Ma'am, when I went to lyricist, he gave me the list of 10 songs.
Alright.
So I had to choose few of them.
So I would ask, who is your biggest inspiration?
I earlier told you that my brother
Yeah.
in singing, he is my inspiration.
पर आपके brother को छोड़ के आपकी family में और कौन-कौन है?
I have joint family and my parents are there. My bhabhi, my bhai. I have 3 kids.
All right. So why did you start so late?
Ma'am, as we all know that, it's all about destiny.
Yeah. What else do you do rather than singing?
Ma'am, rather singing is my passion, right? Hobby, you could say. But on priority basis, I love to be in my business.
अगर आपको मौका मिलता है कोई एक सिंगर के जैसा बनने को, तो वो सिंगर कौन होगा?
Like Diljit Dosanjh.
दिलजीत दोसांझ.
Not
Everyone's favorite.
not because of that he is on that height. The reason I love him just because of his humility. Into you. So it's a message for those ke don't bother about your critics. I have a lot of critics.
Okay.
I don't bother about them. They are there to speak ill about me.
Yes.
But all those gossips go over my head. I don't bother about them. I keep on focusing on my things, and I feel I would answer them with my achievement.
Hello everyone, this is Samaira from लुधियाना पोस्ट. आज मैं आपको मिलवाने लगी हूँ लुधियाना के उभरते सिंगर के साथ हैप्पी सिंह. इनका गाना टेंशन काफ़ी ट्रेंडिंग में चल रहा है और आइए पूछते हैं इनसे कुछ सवाल इनकी जर्नी के बारे में. हेलो हैप्पी सर, हाउ आर यू?
Hello, ma'am.
आई वांटेड टू आस्क अ फ्यू क्वेश्चंस और सबसे पहला सवाल मेरा ये रहेगा कि आपने जर्नी कैसे स्टार्ट करी और आपने कब स्टार्ट करी ये जर्नी?
Ma'am, although I am businessman, so I just started this singing profession, not profession, it is my passion. I started just 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago. And I'm very inspired by my brother. He started singing at least 5 to 10 years before me. So वो जब भी गाता था मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था उसको सुन के. So I started taking classes and all. So singing की जर्नी तो मेरे भाई से ही स्टार्ट हुई है.
Okay.
उससे इंस्पायर होके.
So your first song named Tension.
Yeah.
What was your purpose behind it? आपने गाने का नाम Tension क्यों रखा?
Ma'am, when I went to lyricist, he gave me the list of 10 songs.
Alright.
So I had to choose few of them. So when I went through all the songs, so the Tension song when it came up, उसके जो मैंने lyrics पढ़े, तो you won't believe कि मेरे को थोड़ा सा funny लगा, because उसके lyrics ही ऐसे हैं कि टेंशन क्यों लेनी है मेरी जान असी तेरे हैं. It's a clarification to your partner
Yeah.
कि आप उसको बार बार आपको क्लियर करना पड़ रहा है कि डोंट वरी अबाउट मी कि मैं तेरा ही हूँ. एंड जब भी मैं अपने दोस्तों में बैठता हूँ, जब भी वी आर लेट इन द नाइट, उनको भी घर से कॉल्स आती थी.
Yeah.
तो उनको भी एक्सप्लेनेशन देनी पड़ती थी कि यार ऐसे वैसे जो भी है व्हाटएवर. तो दैट सॉन्ग आफ्टर उसको पढ़ने के बाद मुझे लगा कि यार दिस इज अ गुड सॉन्ग टू स्टार्ट विद, राइट. तो दैट इज द रीजन ओनली.
All right. So I would ask, who is your biggest inspiration?
I earlier told you that my brother
Yeah.
in singing, he is my inspiration. उसको देख के, उसको सुन के मुझे लगा, even lot of singers are there, all are good. I listen to all of them, but I was inspired by my brother.
All right. पर आपके ब्रदर को छोड़ के आपकी फैमिली में और कौन-कौन है?
I have joint family and my parents are there. My bhabhi, my bhai. I have 3 kids and joint family है जिसके बहुत सारे advantage हैं.
Okay.
So just because of their help,
Yeah.
I have been fulfilling all my desires, all my hobbies. That's it.
All right. So why did you start so late?
Ma'am, as we all know that, it's all about destiny.
Yeah.
earlier I had desires but did not have money. I had to focus on, just fulfill my basic needs.
Yeah.
But singing and lot of other passions over there at subconscious mind. But there was no reason, because without money it's not easy to fulfill your desires, right?
Exactly.
So priority was something else. So after establishing my business, then achieved my all goals, then I realized कि अब कुछ time अपनी hobbies पे भी देना चाहिए.
Yeah.
So that is the reason that I started little bit late. But it is late according to you, but I think I started on right time.
Yeah.
Because if you talk about age, it's just a number.
Yeah. Exactly.
And I don't believe कि आप कभी भी कुछ कर सकते हैं. It's not about कि अब आपकी ये एज हो गई है तो अब आपको नहीं करना. You can start any time at any age.
Exactly. I agree. तो सर आपने जो गाना रिलीज करा, how was your response to it?
Response, ma'am, it's been I guess 1 month when I released my song. So whatever expectations I had earlier, you won't believe, I'm so happy. People started recognizing me after that. Although I won't say that I have become a very popular singer, but whatever the start it was, I'm so happy with it.
So now how do you feel about it?
Ma'am, obviously, when you are appreciated, you by your first song, so definitely now I started focusing on other numbers. I have lot of songs in my list, and as of now, तो they are in my bucket list. मैं जो भी मेरी bucket list में songs हैं, I will try to come up with those all songs, and hopefully आने अगले साल में 2026, हालांकि 2025 में भी I am coming up with one more song. That name is Baimaniya.
Okay.
And in 26, hope so I'll come up with 4 to 5 songs. तो my journey just started. और मुझे उम्मीद है अगर आपका, मेरे ऑडियंस का, मेरे नियर एंड डियर्स का, if I get appreciation, तो definitely I won't stop.
What else do you do rather than singing?
Ma'am, rather singing is my passion, right? Hobby, you could say. But on priority basis, I love to be in my business. Most of the time, I remain in my business, because if your business is fine, then you can do anything.
Yeah.
So you would say most of the time I remain in my business, and whenever I get time, then only I just focus on these hobbies. Second, I compromised. Obviously now singing is important for me. Coming up with the songs, it's not easy. You have to compromise with your other things.
Other things, yeah.
Right. So I had earlier, I had little bit issues.
Yeah.
Because my work was, when I started taking classes, so my work used to be affected. Then I started compromising with my sleeping pattern, my other things, but I did not leave my work.
So how long did it took for you to release the song?
Ma'am, it took 1 month for practice and 1 month to release. So hardly 2 months. I took 2 months to get it released.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what are your future plans with this?
Future plans, ma'am, I am so happy that you people, you like this song.
Yeah.
If you would not have liked it, then also I would have come up with lot of songs. But now though I'm appreciated.
Yeah.
So straight away, apart from my work, I just focusing on my singing, this passion only.
Okay.
Or earlier I told that now though I already plan to come up with lot of songs. So I'm completely occupied with this thing.
अगर आपको मौका मिलता है कोई एक सिंगर के जैसा बनने को, तो वो सिंगर कौन होगा?
मैम, जैसे कि पहले भी हम बात कर चुके हैं, ऑल सिंगर्स आर वेरी गुड. ठीक है, कोई टॉप पे है, कोई सेकंड पोजीशन पे है, कोई थर्ड पे है, बट आई लाइक एवरीवन. मैं किसी को भी ये नहीं कहूँगा कि मैं उसके जैसा नहीं बनना चाहता. I don't have any competition with anyone. See, फिर भी अगर आप मुझसे पूछते हैं तो I would love to be like Diljit Dosanjh.
दिलजीत दोसांझ,
Not
everyone's favorite.
not because of that he is on that height. The reason I love him just because of his humility. I want to be humble like him. Humility आप खुद से आपके बीच में नहीं आती है. It's a God gift. तो if next life में अगर मैं कुछ बनना चाहूँगा as a singer, तो क्वालिटी की बात करें तो I want to be humble like दिलजीत दोसांझ.
ओके, तो सर ये जो सिंगिंग का प्रोफेशन है, क्या इसने आपके बिजनेस को अफेक्ट करा?
मैम इससे कोई ऐसा कुछ लेना देना नहीं है बिकॉज यू नो मैंने आपको जैसे बताया कि आई एम ब्लेस्ड विद जॉइंट फैमिली.
या
तो आई हैव फुल सपोर्ट ऑफ माई फैमिली, स्पेशली माई भाई. और बिजनेस का इफेक्ट होने का ऐसा कोई रीज़न ही नहीं है. जब आपको फैमिली सपोर्ट अच्छा सा मिलता हो फिर तो यू कैन डू एनीथिंग. उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आगे भी ऐसा कुछ नहीं होएगा बिकॉज अर्लियर आई टोल्ड प्रायोरिटी इज बिजनेस, दिस इज द सेकेंडरी और अदर थिंग्स.
ओके, सो सर क्या आप हमें अपना गाना टेंशन सुनाएंगे?
Yeah, of course. I would sing this song especially for you.
या प्लीज.
चलो. टेंशन क्यों लेनी है मेरी जान, ਅਸੀਂ तेरे आ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾ, ਅਸੀਂ तेरे आ ਚਾਹੇ ਤੂੰ ਕਸਮ ਖਵਾ ਲੈ ਚਾਹੇ ਤੂੰ ਜ਼ਹਿਰ ਨੀ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਜੰਨਤ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਹੀ ਪੈਰ ਨੀ, ਰੱਖਿਆ ਏ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਰੱਬ ਦੀ ਥਾਂ, ਅਸੀਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਆ ਟੈਨਸ਼ਨ ਕਿਉਂ ਲੈਣੀ ਐ ਮੇਰੀ ਜਾਨ, ਅਸੀਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਆ.
वेरी वेरी नाइस, आई लव दिस.
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू.
सो सर आपके रिलीजिंग जो सॉन्ग है, अपकमिंग सॉन्ग्स,
यस मैम.
उनमें से अगर आप कोई गाना गा सकते
मैम अपकमिंग सॉन्ग आई अर्लियर टोल्ड के नवंबर लास्ट वीक में गाना आ रहा है मेरा बेईमानियाँ.
ओके.
एंड उसके बाद फिर थर्ड सॉन्ग है फरवरी में बर्थडे.
ओके.
तो उसका नाम उसका हमने बर्थडे रखा है, इसका बेईमानियाँ रखा है. सो बैक टू बैक बहुत सारे सॉन्ग्स हैं जो आपको कमिंग ईयर में सुनने को मिलेंगे.
ओके, तो सर आप लुधियाना पोस्ट के व्यूअर्स को क्या मैसेज देना चाहोगे?
स्मायरा मैसेज की बात करें तो आई वुड से स्पेशली टू दोज हु आर 40 प्लस. आफ्टर 40 मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल दे थिंक कि उनकी लाइफ खत्म हो गई है.
या
बट आई वुड से देयर इज नो एंड ऑफ योर लाइफ. एज इज जस्ट अ नंबर. आप 40 की बात कर रहे हैं, you can live your life after 50 also. Whatever desires, whatever feelings you have, don't think कि आप 40 के बाद नहीं कर सकते.
या
Right? अगर आप I was not able to fulfill my things in my childhood, but things were in my subconscious mind.
या
Now it was the right time to follow it. So why should not I?
या एग्जैक्टली.
So it's not about me, it's about everyone. I go to the gym,
Yeah.
right? Every morning 6 o'clock. Every morning 6 o'clock you will find me in the gym. Whether I sleep late night or whatever. आप मुझे 6 बजे जिम में मिलूंगा आपको मैं. और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. Apart from business I do. Apart from family I do. तो it's not about कि आप 40 के हो गए हैं तो आपके लिए सिर्फ फैमिली रह गया,
Yeah.
आपके लिए सिर्फ बिजनेस रह गया. You have your own life also.
Yes.
You have to lead it according to you. So it's a message for those कि don't bother about your critics. I have lot of critics.
ओके.
I don't bother about them. They are there to speak ill about me.
यस.
But you know, all those gossips go over my head. I don't bother about them. I keep on focusing on my things. And I wish, I feel, I would answer them with my achievements.
Alright guys, this was it. We had a lovely conversation with Happy Singh and see you in the next one. Thank you.